Alright, y'all. I really need to get a new camera so I'm not constantly using my phone. Hey, hi, hello everyone. Welcome to the Compound Zoo. Welcome to PR New. I am Becca. Welcome to my zoo. So today we are going to make Christmas disappear from the house so we can get ready for Mbok. And then Ostara a few months after, like a month after. So yeah, we're going to go ahead, take down all the Christmas decorations. I'm going to try and organize them in those boxes that are there. I may have to go to Walmart to get some more. I think I might, but we'll see.
Alright guys, so here is the before. Yes, it is an absolute utter disaster. I wasn't kidding when I said that my house was a giant mess. We haven't cleaned since Christmas, and so there's Christmas decorations everywhere. There's just dirt from the dogs, bring them in from the hill, and it's just gross. So we're going to undecorate everything and clean my living room. This is as real as it gets, folks. Alright, time to start decommissioning this tree. So I'm going to remove our weeping angel topper and then start taking off the ornaments. So I decided with our ornaments to stick them by color in soda can boxes. It keeps them separated and organized, and it makes it easier for me to find them next year when I'm ready to decorate. If you see me constantly looking up off in like a random direction, I am watching Dazomai, DIY crafter YouTuber here. And I watched her the entire time I was cleaning. So if you constantly see me looking off camera, that is what I am doing. I am watching DIY crafts while I am decluttering and putting away my Christmas decorations. So each color ornament gets its own separate soda box. For now, this works until I have too many. But as of right now, I've got just enough ornaments to fill the separate boxes without going over. And this isn't even a soda box. This is the light box to our snake. But it works to hold the snowflakes because they are a random shape. And it will also hold all this tulle and ribbon from my tree. Time to take off all the pillow covers and the blankets and the tree skirt and get them in the wash before they get put away. These snowballs were our favorite part of the winter season. I'm really sad to see them go, but they'll make another appearance again next year. Time to clean off this 9 cube, take all the decorations off the snow, and y'all, this thing was completely covered in glitter. I'm not entirely sure if I'm sad to see all the Christmas decorations go, or if I'm excited to have a fresh start for spring. The bathrooms were fairly easy. There wasn't much decorations in them this year, so it's just a matter of taking the ribbons and the sprigs of pine off, untying them from candles, getting all the bath towels, taking down this garland from the master bath, and then getting all those little gold glitter trees back into this box, and bringing everything into the living room. The wreaths are the next to go off our doors. We have a wreath on every bedroom door and the downstairs bathroom door. I found this 2-pack of wreath holders at Walmart, and they were $7 for the 2 of them. I couldn't even begin to tell you how much they would be without being on sale. And fun fact, I've never actually had a wreath holder, so I think this was so fun to have. Now it's time to put our stockings away. I am checking each and every stocking to pull stuff out because, as you see, I found an entire slew of stuff in my stocking. Stuffing them all in this box with our little letter tiles so that we know whose stockings are whose. Now to clear off the entertainment center, my kid's gonna come get his Pokemon because he doesn't want them put away. He wants to keep them with his toys. So we're gonna remove this snow and Jack and then put all this stuff away. See, there we go, watching Jazamai.
All right, so I managed to get the ornaments, stockings, and some of the snow and stuff, and the snowballs in this giant tote. Cat break. Cat break. This is a good kitty.
Can I have the kitten? Okay, I want the kitten.
Okay. I managed to get all of the ornaments and stuff. Like, this was honestly an idea that I pulled out of, like, nowhere, and I really like it. I wish it obviously wasn't soda can holders, but it keeps all of my ornaments organized by color, which would be great when I go to redo the tree next year. What happened? So I have all the stockings in there. I've got the fake snow. I had a giant, like, bushel of snow that I need to find and put in there. But I have started stacking all of the other Christmas decorations down and around the table and my kids' crap that needs to get put away. But I'm debating on putting, like, the decorations and the greenery and stuff in a separate bin. Or maybe I'll put the greenery in there after the kids go through the donation bucket. And then just have, like, these these decorations and stuff in there. I'm ready to start decorating for M Block.
Alright, so we decided to leave this garland and light strand up. I'm just going to remove all the winter holiday picks, and then every season I'm just going to decorate the garland based on what season we're in. So for now, let's remove all these holiday picks, and then we're going to remove the picks from the stairs and the garland from the stairs. So the only garland that's staying is the one on that banister. Remove our Christmas paintings, and away goes this garland. Y'all, I had so much garland downstairs that I never actually put up this year. It was insane. Next year, I cannot wait to be able to put all this greenery up. Y'all, look at all this fake snow and glitter that came off of my garland. Oh my god, there was so much of it. Alright, now to Tetris all of my little gnomes into this box. My gnomes were my favorite thing this year to start collecting. I also decided to put these little Target glass houses in here too, since there wasn't that many of them. Alright y'all, now I'm going to go ahead and take all manner of crafting stuff that is Yule and winter season related. So all the picks, all the buffalo check ribbon, everything that I had that I was using as decoration is going to go in this clear shallow tote. Having it clear makes it easier for next year when I go to start looking for the smaller decorations like these things instead of having to go through each of the big buckets. So I decided to put these little glitter Christmas trees in another Amazon box inside a box so that they don't get damaged. And again, Tetrising all of my other decorations into this tote. Now I'm taking some trash bags and wrapping up the more fragile decorations, like our little baby Yoda snow globe, which honestly is the only snow globe we've ever collected, and he's just so cute. Alright, now same thing I did with the baby Yoda snow globe. Any of my sentimental breakable ornaments are getting wrapped in some layers of thick garbage bags that we got from Walmart, and they're getting stuck inside this box that you see off to the side of the screen. And as much as I thought this tree was weird, that it just kind of like popped up and down, taking this thing and putting it back in its box was by far the easiest and least time-consuming Christmas thing I've ever had to do. Taking my Christmas pictures, also doing the same, wrapping up in grocery bags trick. And then I'm taking some painter's tape and covering the broken top of these tubes of ornaments to stick them in this bag. Now I don't usually use red on any of my trees except my Harry Potter tree for Gryffindor, so that's the only reason why I have these red ornaments. But I think if I don't use them next year, I'm just going to donate them. All of my remaining Harry Potter ornaments get the same in soda can box technique. Alright, now it's time to soup up all of the little fodder that's all over the floor, all the glitter, all the dirt. Look at how much stuff came off this rug, you guys. Problem with living on a farm on a dirt mountain, and this tile is always dirty no matter how often I clean it. But like I said, I'm gonna be honest, I didn't sweep all 2 weeks of Christmas break. So after sweeping, I like to vacuum to get all the little bits that get stuck in the cracks. It saves it from when I mop getting dirt, little mud puddles everywhere. So in my mop bucket, I like putting lavender essential oil for peace and clary sage essential oil for protection. And I use it just to create a nice, safe aroma in our house. And I'm taking the vacuum and getting all the glitter and dog hair off of our leather furniture. Yes, it's old, it's cracked, I don't care. It's comfy, it's ours. Look there's another YouTuber that I'm watching. I don't remember who this one was. I don't think this is Jazomai, but I was just watching so many YouTubers while I was cleaning. Does anybody else do this, or do you watch decluttering videos or clean with me videos? I tend to watch whatever is piquing my interest at that time, which at this point in time, it's craft videos. So time to slide the rug back under the couch after a very long and tiring vacuum session, and taking Lysol and cleaning off all our surfaces to get the rest of the glitter and dust off. Alright, the fun part, cleaning this mess of a coffee table. So you're going to see my oldest helping me with some of the division of assets, because I don't know whose toys are whose, I don't know where they go, but it all needs to just go. Look at how much glitter I just piled off of this table to throw away, guys. That was ridiculous. I want to say Christmas is my most glittery holiday that I use. Another vacuum after a sweep, and time to put the pillows back on my couch. Burn some incense, cleanse the house a little bit. Alright guys, here is the before. Look at how trashed this was. I am so embarrassed. But this is raw and real, and yeah. Alright guys, here is the after. Alright, so this is what the entertainment center looked like. And here you go. And you remember how cluttered this thing was? It's got a fresh new look and ready for me to deck it all out for spring. This little couch area as well was gross and covered in blankets. And now it's back to its nice, clean, organized self. Y'all remember this? This was probably the worst part of the whole living room. Alright guys, and now the absolute final reveal of the whole thing. This took, I think, 2 days to end up doing, but I got it done. Lots of spoons, but I did it. It looks amazing. Honestly, I think taking down decor regardless of the holiday season is my least favorite part, because then you have to deal with taking everything down. And it's just, I don't like it. It's so much work, and for whatever reason takes more spoons out of me than putting everything up. But that great refresher just feels so great at the end of a season. If you guys are enjoying these types of videos, be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below on your favorite part of the holiday season or your least favorite part. And be sure to follow me on Instagram at TheCompoundZoo, where I post shenanigans on our zoo and up-to-dates on YouTube.